Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Timeless Wisdom. Today, let's tackle a topic that often gets overthought or underestimated in relationships: going down on your partner. We're exploring the psychology of men who perform oral sex on women. What drives some men to love it, while others shy away? How does it reflect on their confidence, emotional connection, and understanding of sexual dynamics? If you've ever been curious about what goes through a man's mind during such moments, or why some are hesitant, stay tuned. Firstly, pleasure from giving pleasure. Many men find joy in cunnilingus, deriving pride from their ability to please their partner. This act of giving, rather than receiving, fosters intimacy and overall satisfaction. Seeing their partner aroused and achieving orgasm boosts their confidence and reaffirms their sexual competence. Secondly, emotional connection. The act of oral sex can intensify the emotional bond due to its deeply intimate nature, marked by physical closeness and vulnerability. Men who appreciate cunnilingus often view it as a profound way to express their love, care, and desire, connecting on a deeper emotional level with their partner. Third, exploration and curiosity. Some men are naturally curious about their partner's body and see oral sex as a way to explore and appreciate their partner's unique physicality. It's about fascination with and admiration for the female body. 4. Power and dominance dynamics. For some, oral sex can have an element of power dynamics. While it's an act of submission in some ways, placing focus on the partner, others may feel empowered by their ability to control their partner's pleasure. 5. Overcoming insecurities. Men who enjoy cunnilingus may feel more secure in their sexual relationships. They may not fear intimacy or vulnerability, and instead embrace it. However, some men may initially approach it with hesitation, worrying about doing it right, cleanliness, or their partner's comfort. The fear factor. But not every man feels that way, right? Let's talk about the other side of the coin. For some men, the idea of oral sex is nerve-wracking. Why? 2 big reasons: fear of judgment and insecurity. They might worry about doing it wrong, or worse, that their partner won't enjoy it, and they'll feel inadequate. And then there's societal pressure. This unrealistic idea that women are supposed to smell and taste like a fruit salad or a field of flowers. Some men internalize those stereotypes and shy away, missing out on one of the most intimate ways to connect with their partner. Breaking the taboo. Let's not sugarcoat it. There's still a lot of stigma around oral sex, especially when it comes to men going down on women. Some guys see it as a submissive act, or worse, they've been conditioned to think it's gross or unnecessary. But here's the raw truth. If a man can't embrace every part of you, yes, including your most intimate areas, what does that say about his ability to fully connect with you? And for men watching this, ask yourself, is your hesitation about her, or is it about your own insecurities? Facing those fears head-on can be a game changer, not just in your sex life, but in your overall confidence. Why some men avoid it. Now, to be fair, not all hesitation is rooted in insecurity. Some men have had negative experiences or even lack exposure to proper sexual education. They might feel overwhelmed by the complexity of a woman's anatomy or unsure of how to approach it. But here's the good news. This isn't rocket science. The key is communication. Ask your partner what she likes. Pay attention to her body language and don't be afraid to experiment. The effort you put in will always outweigh any initial awkwardness. The psychology of the giver. Here's the bottom line. Men who love going down on women are often givers by nature. They find joy in making their partner happy, both emotionally and physically. It's not about ego or keeping score. It's about mutual satisfaction. And ironically, when men focus on giving pleasure selflessly, they often end up enjoying the experience just as much, if not more, than their partner. Here's the reality. Intimacy revolves around connection, vulnerability, and trust. Men who fully accept every aspect of their partner, mentally, physically, and indeed even their most intimate areas, forge more profound and robust relationships. If you're prepared to elevate your approach, begin with empathy and open communication. Keep in mind, it's not merely about the act itself, it's about the underlying meanings of care, desire, and respect. If you're looking to enhance every aspect of your life, don't forget to subscribe to Timeless Wisdom. Hit that like button, leave a comment below with your thoughts, and turn on notifications to stay updated with our daily insights. Join our community for more valuable content like this.